Hi, and welcome to this short video tutorial about creating new templates within the DMP tool. So the first thing I'm going to do is log into my DMP tool account. You will need administrative privileges in order to create a new template. So go over to the admin features list here, click on templates. This is going to take you to a page that lists all of your current templates. You can have as many templates as you wish, depending on your local needs. All of your users are going to see these templates when they create a new plan. So if they go to create plan, and then they click on this no funder associated with this plan, that's going to pop up a list of all the templates that you have available at your institution. I don't have any published right now, that's why none are displaying. Just heading back to templates here. So to create a new one, just click on create a template. This is just going to walk me through a quick wizard so that I can enter the information. I'm just going to create this demo template here. You can add a description if you wish, it's not mandatory. Just click on save. You do need to add at least one phase for your template. You might want to use multiple phases if a data management plan is required at different stages of a project. So maybe before the project begins, after the data is collected, and then again when it's been deposited in a repository. For the most of the time, people only need one phase. So I'm just going to create one phase here. I'm going to call it data management plan and click on save here. So most funder templates are designed to have one section, at least one section for each question. So you can group all of these questions that are about one topic together. So maybe if you have a lot of questions about ethics policies, or preservation and access, you can group them all into one. So I'm going to create a section here for roles and responsibilities, which is a common subject grouping for questions. Then I need to go in and add questions. So I'm just going to add a question. So you do have some options when it comes to the format of your answer. You can have checkboxes. You could have drop downs, radio buttons. Text area is definitely the most common. So I'm just going to go with that one. You might want to give your researchers some prompting by giving them an example answer. If you have a default answer that you want to appear and have them be able to edit that, you could do that. Most of the time that's not utilized. People are just giving example answers. The guidance section here is really important for giving researchers some indication about the policies and best practices that they may need to address in their answer here. And the themes section, this is where we associate the question with some default guidance that will be presented to the user based on the subject area. So this is roles and responsibilities, so I'm going to click on that. One thing I just wanted to point out, if you have any questions about these themes, we do have documentation about all of the definitions of these themes in our help wiki. So here you're just going to go to the main help page, click on themes, and here we have specific definitions for each of these themes. So for now, I'm just going to hit save, and now I have created a basic template with one section and one question. So my final step is to publish my template. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back over to view all templates. And then I see this template that I just worked on, the DMPTool template demo here. I can just go in, and here if I want to continue to edit it, I can do that. I can track the history of all my changes. And importantly here, I can publish it. So once I publish it, all of my users from my organization will have access to this template. I can always go back and continue to edit, add new questions at any time. But every time you do that, when you want those adjustments or edits to be made to the template, when you want them to go live for your users, you need to republish the template in order to reflect those changes.